Welcome to JZ Graphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create this flower design in Illustrator. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the rectangle tool, and click once. Add the artboard dimensions to it. And do the center align. Apply the black color to it. Go to the Object menu, and lock the background or press Ctrl+2. Go to the star shape and create a shape. Change its fill to outline. And apply the white color to it. And increase its stroke weight to 4%. Go to the Direct Selection tool, and drag them inside. Go to the Effect menu, Distort and then Transform. Set its angle to 6, and copies to 5. And hit OK. Go to the Gradient panel, and apply the gradient colors to it. And follow my gradient settings. Go to the Edit menu, copy and then paste in front. And minimize its size. Right-click on it, transform and then rotate. Set its angle to 30, and hit OK. Again, go to the Edit menu, copy and then paste in front. And follow me. Create a circle shape using Ellipse tool. And change it to fill. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates.